It's Friday, April 26th, 2013, and this is the Monitor Minute. I'm web editor Kevin Dean, and these are some of today's top stories. First up, Dick Patton's fellow Concord City councilors and state representatives are reserving judgment after a stalking petition was filed against him earlier this week. Councilor Mark Cohen said that while he was concerned about the allegations, it is important to wait until May 10th when a judge hears testimony from both sides. Until then, Patton is not allowed within 100 yards of the 20-year-old man who filed the petition. Second, it's only 2013, but speculation is already surfacing on who the favorite is to land each party's 2016 presidential nomination. According to a survey released yesterday by Public Policy Polling, former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton holds a commanding lead among New Hampshire Democrats. Kentucky Senator Rand Paul has a slim lead in a crowded Republican field. And finally, after holding several elected positions with various real estate organizations, Angie Kopka decided to run for the New Hampshire House in 2002. She won at the age of 86. Now after turning 97, she's still representing Nashua. She did lose her seat in 2010, but she won it back 2 years later. There's no signs of slowing down for Angie. She says she's definitely running again next year. Here's a preview of what's coming up in the Monitor this weekend. An Epsom family is home after 3 of them were injured in the Boston Marathon bombings. We try to hunt down the invasive emerald ash borer, and a 9/11 widow originally from New Hampshire who believes the government may have had a role in the attacks has refused settlement money from the airlines through all these years. Her legal dispute remains tied up in a New Hampshire court. Read about these stories and more this weekend in the Monitor, or visit us online at concordmonitor.com.